How to change location in Amazon Prime Video. So if you want to change your location in Amazon Prime Video, then first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After having the internet connection, you need to open up your browser, any preferred browser, and go with search, and under search you need to search for Amazon. After that, go with www.amazon.com. It will take you to the official website. Now from the website, you need to go with the top right, which has accounts and list, and here you will have a bunch of options. And here you will have an option of content and devices, so you just need to simply select that option. Under content and devices, here on the top right, you will have preferences. So click on preferences. Under preferences, here you will have country/region settings. So you need to go with change your country/region. So go with the drop down, which is on the right side, and here you will have change option. So you need to click on change, and from here you'll be able to change your country or your region. So go with the drop down again and select another country and go with update, and your country will be changed. That's how you can change your country or your region or location in Amazon Prime Video. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.